Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to guide you through programming your Philips Universal Remote Control. Whether you're setting it up for your TV, DVD player, or any other device, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for step-by-step instructions. So let's get started. Step 1. Preparation. Before we begin, ensure you have your Philips Universal Remote and the user manual handy. It's essential to have the manual as it contains specific codes and instructions tailored to your remote model. Step 2. Finding device codes. Start by identifying the device you want to program, e.g., TV, DVD player. Refer to your remote's manual or visit the Philips website for a list of device codes. Note down the code corresponding to your device model. Step 3. Programming process. Turn on the device you wish to control with the remote. Press and hold the setup button on the remote until the red indicator light stays on. Enter the device code you previously noted down. The indicator light will turn off once the correct code is entered. Test the remote by pressing the power button. If the device turns off, the programming was successful. Step 4. Programming without codes. If you can't find a specific code, don't worry. Your Philips Universal Remote can often search for the correct code automatically. Follow the manual's instructions to put your remote into code search mode. Aim the remote at the device and press the power button repeatedly until the device turns off. Once the device turns off, press the OK or Enter button to save the code. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully programmed your Philips Universal Remote Control. Now you can enjoy seamless control of all your entertainment devices with just one remote. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.